Hi everyone, my name is Brad Heil, District Sales Manager for Passport at Keystone RV. We're celebrating 1 millionth month here at Keystone RV, and what that means is we now have built 1 million RVs that are now on the road in North America. In celebration of millionth month, we've also been working hard on some great new floor plans from Passport, just like this 2500 RK. A couple of the new features that have been implemented on all of the new Passports are also on this new 2500 RK, the first of which is our electric stabilizer jacks. The electric stabilizer jacks are much easier and more convenient to use than the traditional jacks. With the simple push of a button, that just makes setup a lot quicker and easier. Another great feature of the Passport is the large pass-through storage with a full-size door on each side. So you'll have easy in and out access for all your camping materials. That'll make it a lot easier to get everything out with you on the road that you need to take. And lastly, among our entire Passport lineup, we now have fully walkable roofs. So it'll make your yearly maintenance and setup a lot easier now that you have that extra structural integrity on your roof. This 2500 RK, or rear kitchen, has several great features that make it a must-see if you're on the lot shopping for Passports. First, we have this nice amount of counter space here in the kitchen area, and as you move down this direction, we have this large pantry, so you can actually use it for storing food or other camping necessities when you're on the road. This unit also features a single slide along with a desk area. So if you're on the road and need to get some work done or even a little bit of evening homework, you got plenty of space to do that as well. All Passports feature a full 60 by 80 mattress. This particular model also features a tri-fold sofa standard as well as a full 80-inch dinette. So even though this is a traditional couples coach, you'd actually be able to sleep up to 6 people in here. When your friends see this thing, they're all going to want to go along anyway, so you better have all that sleeping space ready. Also new with the Passport this year is we have increased the depth of all of our cabinetry. So they extend down a few inches further than they used to, making it suitable for even more of your necessities, whether it be food and other camping supplies when you're going on the road. That way you don't have to make as many trips to the convenience store or things like that for your weekend or week-long trips. So a lot of great new features on the 2500 RK, whether you're looking for just a couple or a family as well. Thank you for coming along and celebrating millionth month with us here at Keystone RV. I hope you enjoyed the new 2500 RK. Be sure to check out your local dealer to check out this Passport and many other Keystone RV products.